Let me say something that might surprise you. The shops people buy from the most don't always have the best products, but they feel the most familiar. And if your shop feels quiet or inconsistent at the moment, there's a very good chance it's not because people don't like what you have to sell, it's because they don't recognize what you can do for them yet. Because most shop owners think having local visibility means they have to run ads, post constantly, try to be everywhere. But the reality is so much simpler. People don't usually discover a shop once and instantly feel the need that they have to visit. They notice it over time. On Google, on maps, on social media, through recommendations, by walking past. And when a shop keeps showing up with the same consistent message, it starts to feel like a safe, obvious choice. And here's the thing that changes everything. Customers choose what feels familiar because familiar feels easier, lower risk, more comfortable. So when someone starts seeing your shop name for the third or fourth time, walking in no longer feels like a decision. It feels like an obvious next step. They know what to expect from you. And this is why some shops feel busy even when they're not shouting. Most shops are invisible locally because their Google profile is incomplete. Their photos don't match reality. Their location isn't obvious. They only post when they remember. None of this feels urgent to them, but all of it quietly affects footfall. If somebody searches women's clothes shop near me, and you don't appear and you're selling women's clothes, or you appear but you look out of date, you don't get considered. Not rejected, but just skipped. Un-Missable shops don't try to dominate every single platform. They do a few simple things consistently. First, they make Google work for them. With clear descriptions, good photos, accurate locations, regular updates. This alone can drive local footfall. Second, they make it obvious where they are. Same wording everywhere, in their bios, Google, website, and on their posts. If people can't picture where you are, they won't visit. And third, they show up regularly, using regular posts every week, regular reminders that they simply exist, not by selling all of the time. Existing and sharing their authority as to why their shop can help their customers. This is what matters. This is how a shop becomes known. So if you're thinking, I don't have time for loads of marketing, good, because you don't need it. Local visibility isn't about huge volume. It's about presence. Small actions repeated compound. That's how a quiet shop becomes a familiar one. And this is just one of the steps in the Un-Missable shop method. It makes sure that you have a clear message, a strong shop front, a welcoming entrance, local familiarity. And if you want your shop to stop being overlooked and start feeling recognized before customers even walk through your door, click the link below this video and explore the method that I've created for you. And remember this, people don't always choose the best products. They choose the one they know that feels the most familiar and has shown it can help them. I hope you have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon.